Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Revolut's invoicing feature. So if you want to use Revolut's invoicing feature, this video is for you. It's going to be a quick one, so let's get straight into it. The first thing you got to do is to log into your Revolut account, and then once you're logged into your account, you want to navigate to the invoicing section. So once you're there, you can create a new invoice, and you can also set the invoice details. Now once you're done with all that detailing, you can just send the invoice to the recipient, and then you can track the invoice status and receive payments from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Revolut's invoicing feature. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.